I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the JLab GO POP Plus, a set of true wireless earbuds that offer great battery life and great everyday use. Let's have a look. If you have been looking for a set of earbuds to use for everyday use, then these are a great choice. They are small, compact, and convenient to use. You get over 35 hours of battery life when you pair the case with the earbuds. And when you're ready to use it, it's very easy. You just pop open the case, take the earbud out, and you can see it's not a very big earbud. Just goes in your ear, just like that, and you're ready to use it. And the nice part about this is because you have different size tips here, that means it fits almost everyone's ear. So you really don't have to worry about if the earbud's gonna fit your ear. So whether you have a small ear, a big ear, or somewhere in between, there's a tip that is probably the right fit in the box for you. And when you're ready to charge these up, it's very easy to do. No more looking for a cable to plug it into. These have a cable built into the bottom. JLab is very clever in this design. The cable just pops right out. It's a USB-C cable. You can go ahead and plug it into your wall outlet, your computer, maybe even your car outlet. Let it charge up. And if you need a quick charge, 10 minutes gets you about an hour of playback. So that's a real great advantage to have something like this. Also, it does offer IPX4 certification. So it is splash proof, so you can use it outside, if it's raining and stuff like that, or if you're maybe at the gym and you sweat, it's not gonna affect it. The JLab app is where you get to customize your experience with these earbuds. Whether it's setting the EQ quality, so getting the right sound for you, or going ahead and turning on the Be Aware so you can hear what's going on in the surrounding areas as you're wearing them, or in fact, customizing how the buttons on the side work, whether it be a single, double, triple tap, or a long hold. You have full flexibility to how these earbuds are customizable for you, which is just amazing. When it comes to taking phone calls or doing a Zoom call, with these earbuds, it is really great. They have clear call technology. That means the built-in microphones sound great, and it makes it easy to take those kind of calls anytime and anywhere. At this point, you might be saying to yourself, wow, these are under $30 and they sound great. They got long battery life. Why are they so inexpensive? Well, JLab always likes to offer high quality audio at affordable prices. And for some people, the only thing that might be missing in this case is active noise canceling. And guess what? JLab offers versions of these earbuds that have that. So you have the option to go to that next tier up and get the active noise cancellation. But for everyday use, these are a great solution. From its built-in USB-C port to the 35-hour plus battery life, to the fact that it has IPX4 rating, which makes it splash-proof and sweat-proof, to its clear calls, so doing Zoom calls, FaceTime, even telephone calls sound great. These JLab GO POP Plus earbuds are just a great solution at that sub $30 price point. I don't think there are any other earbuds that I would rather have at that price point than these. I will put a full description below and you could see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.